Okay, so let's proceed to addition of decimals. So I have here a given number 1.21 plus 1.05 plus 0.009 or 9 thousandths. Okay, so 1 and 21 hundredths, 1 and 5 hundredths, 9 thousandths. Since the tree given here has one different place value, what are we going to do? How are we going to add it? So the instruction here is align all the decimal points, then add. So meaning to say, we're going to rewrite the tree given into vertical form. So we have here 1.21, 1.21, okay. So this is the decimal point, 1.05. So as you can see, we're going to align the decimal points plus 0.09, 0.009. So before we add, observe the alignment of the numbers. So 9 has no alignment, meaning to say this is 0, 0. 150, they are all aligned. 200, 110. So after all the numbers were aligned and the decimal points were aligned, we're going to add. So start with the rightmost. So this would be 9. Bring down 9. 1 plus 5, 6. 2 plus 0, 0, 0. So this is 2. And put the decimal point as well. So the decimal point is also aligned. Okay. Then 1 plus 1, that would be 2. So the sum now is 2 and 269 thousandths. So this is now the sum. 2 and 269 thousandths. Now, let's have number 2. 12.38 or 12 and 38 hundredths plus 6 and 97 hundredths plus 21 and 471 thousandths. So again, there is a different place value here from the 2. So we're going to follow the previous example. So we align all the decimal points and so you have here 12.38 plus 6.97 plus 21.471. Okay, so we add. So since 1 has no alignment, we just bring down 1. 8 plus 7, 15 plus 7, 22. So carry 2. So you have now 2 plus 3, 5 plus 9. Plus 9 is 14 plus 4, 18. So don't forget the alignment of decimal point. So you have to carry 1 here. So 1 plus 2, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 1, 10. And carry 1. Ayan. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. So that would be the answer. 40 and 821 thousandths.